Hello, this is me, Gerald. It's already morning earlier here, but I didn't sleep yet. I'm not too well, you know this. I just realized there is my face on a video. And then I'm just smiling. Still wonder how come my face already there, since I'm still laying on my bed. Do you understand what I mean? I'm happy to see my face. Say hey. Say hello. Hello, friends. Hello. I'm 2 months old, but I'm already aware about the phone. What do you think about me? Do you hear? Do you hear that? I'm coaching. But I'm still feel happy. I'm too excited to see my face on this phone. Have you ever felt like this about facing your face in the phone? I don't think so. And now I'm sleepy. Just feel sleepy. Not to fall asleep yet. Hey you, my twin! What are you doing there? I'm still here laying on my bed. Right? Right, Gerald?